Welcome you all. In this session, we are going to discuss arithmetic instructions in Intel 8085 processor. Outcome: after successful completion of this session, the student could be able to explain the operation of arithmetic instructions in 8085 processor. So the first operation instruction is add OR. So the content of the particular register will be added with the accumulator and the result will be stored in accumulator. So that is why it has been represented as A implies A plus OR. The content of OR register will be added with the content of accumulator and the result will be stored in accumulator. Second instruction, add M. The content of memory location will be added with the accumulator and the result will be stored in accumulator. Say for example, ADD 4000 means the content data present in memory location 4000 will be added with the content of accumulator and the result will be stored in accumulator. ADC, add with carry with OR register, add register with carry to the accumulator, that is A implies A plus OR register plus the carry. Next one is ADCM. So similarly, the content of memory location plus the accumulator plus the carry register will be stored in the accumulator. ADI data, that is immediate addressing. So the data will be there, the data will be added with the accumulator and the result will be stored in accumulator. ACI data with carry, that is, so if you provide a data like 5 means the content 5 will be added with the content of accumulator plus the carry and the result will be stored in the carry. DAD RP, that is add HL register pair. The content of HL register pair with the particular register pair will be added and the result will be stored in the HL register pair because it is 16 bit. So this 16 bit can't be stored in the accumulator, so it will be stored in HL register pair. So the next one is sub OR, that is the content of OR register will be subtracted from accumulator and the result will be stored in accumulator. And the next one is sub M. The content of memory will be subtracted from the accumulator and the result will be stored in accumulator. Next SBB OR, that is with borrow. Okay, so for addition we'll be representing it as carry and for subtraction we'll be representing it as borrow. So here the content of accumulator will be subtracted by the content of our register and then again by the borrow. SBBM, similar to the previous one, instead of register here we have the HL register. Other instructions other than addition and subtraction is increment and decrementation. So INR means increment or register, M means memory location, the content of memory location will be incremented by 1. DCR means decrement or register the particular register and decrement memory. Next is INX, that is a register pair, increment register pair. DCX means decrement the register pair. Whenever you get a X term, that means it is 16-bit data will be there, data or address. DAM is decimal adjust accumulator. So these are all the arithmetic instructions available in 8085 processor. Thank you.